Hi, kids! Today we'll learn about trucks for kids. Are you ready? Let's go! Fire truck. Fire truck. This is a fire truck. It is a special vehicle used to put out fires, rescue people, and protect property during emergencies. The truck is bright red and has a loud siren. Woo! Dump truck. This is a dump truck. It carries heavy loads of sand, soil, or rocks to construction sites. The back of the truck can lift up to dump everything out easily. Monster truck. This is a monster truck. It has huge wheels and a super powerful engine. It's a fun truck that can jump, spin, and crush smaller cars in exciting shows. SWAT truck. This is a SWAT truck. It is a strong, armored vehicle that carries special police officers on dangerous missions to keep everyone safe. Car transport truck. This is a car transport truck. It has 2 big levels and can carry many cars safely from factories to car shops. Garbage truck. This is a garbage truck. It is used to collect and carry trash to the disposal site. The big container and compactor at the back help the truck collect more waste and keep the environment clean. Cement mixer truck. This is a cement mixer truck. It has a large rotating drum on the back that mixes and carries concrete to construction sites. The drum keeps the concrete smooth and fresh until it's ready to use. Tow truck. This is a tow truck. It is used to tow broken or damaged cars to the repair shop. Tow trucks help keep the roads safe and clear for everyone. Forklift truck. This is a forklift truck. It is used in warehouses and factories to lift and move heavy boxes. The 2 metal forks in front help lift goods up high safely and easily. Container truck. This is a container truck. It is used to carry large shipping containers over long distances, often between cities or to seaports. The truck is very long, strong, and can hold a lot of cargo. Crane truck. This is a crane truck. It has a long crane arm that can lift and move heavy objects, like steel beams, concrete blocks, or big machines. It makes construction work easier and safer. Pickup truck. This is a pickup truck. It has a small open bed at the back for carrying tools, boxes, or light goods. Pickup trucks are flexible and can be used for both work and travel. Recycling truck. This is a recycling truck. It collects recyclable materials like paper, plastic, and metal, then takes them to factories for reuse. Recycling trucks help make our planet greener and cleaner. Food truck. This is a food truck. It has a small kitchen inside to cook and serve tasty foods like sandwiches, pizza, or ice cream. Food trucks often park in parks or playgrounds to serve everyone delicious treats. Logging truck. This is a logging truck. It has a long, strong trailer used to carry big tree logs from the forest to the sawmill. The truck helps transport wood for making everyday products. Tanker truck. This is a tanker truck. It has a large, round tank used to carry liquids like fuel, oil, or water. The truck drives carefully to keep the load safe during transport. Rescue police truck. This is a rescue police truck. It helps during emergencies by rescuing people, towing broken vehicles, and providing support at accident scenes. The truck is always ready to help. Yay! Ambulance truck! This is an ambulance truck. It has medical equipment and a stretcher to carry patients safely to the hospital. The loud siren helps it move quickly and save lives. Snow plow truck. This is a snow plow truck. It has a big blade in the front that pushes snow off the road during winter. Thanks to snow plow trucks, the roads stay clear and safe for everyone. Delivery truck. This is a delivery truck. It carries packages, letters, and goods to homes and stores. The truck helps deliver everything quickly and on time. Street sweeper truck. This is a street sweeper truck. It has brushes and vacuums underneath to clean dust, leaves, and small trash from the streets. These trucks help keep the city clean and tidy.